Hi and welcome back to another crafty tutorial. I am Megan from meganplus5.com, and today I'm going to show you how to paint these wooden boo cutouts. You can purchase this craft kit on my website at meganplus5.com/shop. So if you didn't buy the craft kit, you will need your wood cutouts, a paint tray, a couple of paintbrushes, black and white acrylic paint, and then the little middle pieces for the bee and the ghost so that you can trace around them and then paint them black on the wood. Now I want my cutouts to be white with the black distressing, so I'm going to paint all of my blocks black first. If you want your blocks to be black with the white distressing, you will paint them white first, and then you will go on top of the white once it's dry and you will paint them black. So you just want to paint it a really thin layer of your distressing color. So I'm just going to paint all of them a solid black, just a really, really thin layer on there. And then once that distressing color is dry, you want to use your primary color on top of it. So it's really important that you use a dry paintbrush and you use very little paint and you just kind of brush it on there. This will give a really good distressed effect without having to use sandpaper. And just keep applying that top coat color until you get the desired look that you want. And then when I apply this, you'll notice that I'm not going all the way to the edges, because that's where it would naturally be worn looking. So I want it heavier in the middle, and then towards the edges I want it to kind of like lightly kind of brush out. So you want to use a heavier hand in the middle and then a lighter hand towards the edges. And repeat this step with all three of your blocks. And then once that side is dry, you can flip them over and then repeat the step on the front sides of all the blocks. And then once your blocks are totally dry with their top coat, you just want to take your cardstock cutouts for the bee and then for the ghost faces, and you want to place them on there. It doesn't have to be perfect, just so that you like it the way that it's on there. And then take a pencil and trace around them, because we're going to be painting the inside of those with black. And if you wanted a black top coat, you would actually be painting the inside of yours with white. And then you can just set those cardstock pieces to the side because you won't need those anymore, and then just paint the area that you traced. So I'm using black because I distressed my blocks with the black color, but if you distressed your blocks with the white color, then you would use white. And then just repeat this step for the ghost faces too. And if you have any questions about this craft kit or any of the other craft kits that you've purchased on my website, please reach out to me. I would love to answer any questions that you have. And then if you enjoyed this crafty tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And to shop our DIY kits, just go to meganplus5.com/shop. See you then.